Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prepping both devices and installing audio relay on your phone and PC. Grant microphone permission on the phone, and on the PC choose audio relay as an input device. Once done, connect via the same Wi-Fi network or use USB tethering for lower latency. Make sure to close any apps that might lock the mic. You do this because exclusive access or mismatched sample rates cause dropouts, so set the app and system sample rate to match, typically 48,000 HC. Once connected, focus on routing and fine-tuning. Open the PC client and select your phone from the device list. Establish the stream. Next, in Windows Sound Settings, choose Audio Relay Microphone or equivalent as the default input for apps. Make sure to adjust the buffer or latency slider in Audio Relay. Smaller buffers lower delay but risk glitching. Larger buffers increase stability. Then run a short recording or use a voice meter to confirm levels. If levels are low, raise phone mic gain or increase Windows input volume. You finish by assigning the audio relay mic inside each application. For example, pick the audio relay device in Discord, OBS, or Zoom. Once set, perform a final test. Check latency, clipping, and background noise. If you need lower latency, switch to USB or a dedicated Wi-Fi band and disable VPNs. For a common troubleshooting step, if audio is absent or distorted, restart the audio relay client on both devices. Recheck microphone permissions and repair the connection. That usually clears driver or exclusive access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.